Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 20th July to 1st August 2025. So let's go straight to our charts. So here I have already opened the charts. Let's first check what was the closing on Friday for on GBP USD. So as you can see, 0.56% was the negative move, 1.34277 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check first our weekly chart. So here this is a weekly chart. As you can see, the candle was bullish candle. As you can see, a small body with a no lower wick, but there is a good upper wick, as you can see. So here the seller dominance we can see in this candle. Also, if I talk about the stochastic RSI, is around currently into oversold area, which indicates as an upside move. But as I always say, we should not always consider or rely on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on our 1-day chart. So this is a 1-day chart. Let me just check some important levels and data which could help us if there is any changes on the markings that I have done previously. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for more such weekly analysis. So here there are no such data which I need to do the changes. So let's talk straight about the closing. So here the closing was 1.1.34277. There the direct support is 1.333805. Direct resistance is 1.34312. After direct support, there is a support of 1.333394 and then 1.33003. Here after direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.34667 and then 1.35069. So these are the important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take trades for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared 2 prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on that, on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. To do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. So I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.343122 to 1.34667. I'm expecting a closing in this range, that is in a positive side. We can see a pullback or a negative move for this week around till this level, that is 1.33805. and if this level gets breached, then we will be able to see a move till 1.33394. So only if you're looking for a bearish trade, you can take a scalp on this level. If this low, that is a Friday's low, gets breached in a 1-day candle, we will be able to see a 1.33805 level. And my expectation is positive. Overall, my expectation is positive in this range. So also be aware that whether the move is on the downside or the upside, we should always look for upside because the current trend looks in an upside move. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing it. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.